Hi, this is Satya Dantuluri. This is my lesson 5 video 2, and this is the homepage for my app. It is same as the previous one. It has the title and it has create account, and it has two fields, and it has the button as login and forgot password, and forgot password is my extra work. And if I click the create account, it shows this. I added a new attribute called as the phone number. Hence, the user can also give his phone number for creating his account. So now I'll create a new account using 8 at the rate to co.edu, and my password is a, and the display name is phone number. For phone number, I give validations like we should give 10 numbers, then only it will accept. And zip code. If I click create account, accounts get created, and it displays a message 8 at the rate uco.edu. If I click OK and go back, and now the other part of my extra work is the forget password. And now for doing my forget password, I gave this mail ID and entered the password for which I created the account. And now I want to change the password for this mail ID. And now I will click on the forget password button. Hence, after clicking that forget password button, it will redirect me to this page where I need to give the new password. So here I give new password as yes, and if I click save button, the changes will be shown in the database. The changes will be saved in the database.